So get ready, guys! And 3, 2, 1, Thank you so much. First birthday party of Caleb here at Jollibee. Happy birthday, Caleb! Magpalakpakan mo! Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday. Sing together! Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Sabay-sabay. Happy birthday to you. Lakasan. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. And now, Mommy and Daddy, any birthday wish or message po para sa inyong anak? After ko rin Mommy at Daddy, si Lolo at Lola naman po.
Para sa akin, lumaki yung malusog si Caleb.
Sa akin lang, maging masunodin. Ayun lang. Lumaki ka ng kasing gwapo ng daddy at lolo.
Na mabait at
Okay, get ready! So, family together kasama ang Lolo at Lola po on behalf of our new birthday celebrator Caleb, Mom and Daddy. So, get ready, guys! And 3, 2, 1, blow! Yay! Okay guys, inulit ko lang po. May oras pa po tayo sa photo booth habang